how to delete TikTok messages from both sides. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you delete TikTok messages from both sides. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you will have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of TikTok on your device. So after you confirm that, you'll have to just open the TikTok app. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you will get such interface. So from here, you will have to go with the section inbox. So simply tap on the inbox. So it will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the inbox. Okay, so now from here, you will have to choose the conversation. From here, you want to delete message from both sides. So simply I am opening this one. Alright, so now on this, I will send some message to this account. So I will send this. Alright, so now to delete this message from both sides, you'll have to hold that message. So simply I'm holding this. Okay, so from here you'll have to go the option delete. So simply tap on the delete. And now from here you got options like delete for everyone and on the another delete for me. So to delete message from both sides, you'll have to go the option delete for everyone. Okay, so now we have deleted this message from both side on the TikTok. So if you are not getting that option, you'll have to just back from here, and now from here you will have to go the option profile just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it, and now from here go the option three line just at the top right corner of the screen. Okay, so from your setting and privacy, and now from here you will have to scroll down and go with the option report a problem. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option chat with us. Okay, so from here you'll have to explain your problem that you can't delete TikTok messages from both sides. So from there might be some information provided by the TikTok support. So this is the alternative method. So I'm sure that you will get options like delete for everyone on this chat option. So basically it will available on all accounts on the TikTok. So if you not get that option, you can go through this. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.